Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how you can create GIF files on your iPhone. Very easily you can convert any of your videos, photos, live photos, burst photos or more into a GIF file. All that can be done using this app called ImgPlay. Now we have two versions of this app, the free app, which of course will have a few less features, and the pro app with all the extra features. Now you will have a chance to get the pro version for free by just going ahead and entering a giveaway that we're doing in collaboration with the creators of this app. Just make sure to check out the description of the video for the details on how you can enter the giveaway and win a pro version of this app. So this is the app right here. Now this is the home screen. From here you can select any of your videos, live photos, all that, or you can go back and go to your albums just like this. So if you tap right here, you can filter your videos, photos, GIFs, live photos, bursts, or you can even go to the camera. Now if you go to the camera, you can go ahead and shoot a stop motion video, a boomerang, a normal photo, or a hands-free video. You can do that directly from there, or you can select anything that you want from the camera roll of your device. So let's just go ahead and select a video right here, and then we will turn that into a GIF and of course personalize it any way that we like. So let's just wait for video to load. So it's loaded right now. You can see at the top right here, we can go ahead and trim this and make this exactly how we want it. Right here at the bottom, we have quite a few tools that we can use to personalize this GIF. First of all, we have this slider that allows us to set the speed of the GIF file. So you can see right here, you can change the speed and how the GIF looks. That's really awesome. And then we have a bunch of tools right here. So we have canvas. You can add any canvas that you want. You can see here, you can do this for the Instagram app and make it look square just like that. And of course you can also change the background of the canvas directly from here. So that's really great as well. So let's go ahead and go to the crop feature. From here, of course, you can crop it any way you want. You also have some presets right here. You can also flip it or rotate it. That's really cool as well. You can also add text. So you add any of your texts right here, and then you can change the font. You can colorize that text. You can see right here, you can add a border around the text, or you can add an animation. This is a feature of the pro version. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click right here. We have different filters as well. So some of the filters are free, some are on the pro version. So again, to get the pro version for free, make sure you check out the description of the video. Then you also have the adjust right here, where you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, all that stuff can be adjusted directly from this panel. And you can also add stickers, so you can go ahead and add any of your emojis right here. So you want to add an emoji, just click right there, click done, and of course you can place it anywhere you want on the GIF file. Let's go back to the tool. You also have sketch right there. You can go ahead and sketch anything that you want on your GIF, and you also have a zoom option right here. This is really cool. So just go ahead and pinch like this to set the zoom, and you can see the zoom effect right there. This looks really awesome. And you can also change the frames per second right there. Now once you're good to go, once you have your GIF personalized the way you like, all you gotta do is just click the next button, and from here you will be able to save it on the camera roll of your device. So you can see right here, you can also share it on all your social media, or just tap right here and it will be saved on the camera roll. Of course, here you will have a few options as well. So you can choose the quality, you can choose GIF or video, and also you have the looping options right there. Click save to photos and you're good to go. The GIF file will be saved on the camera roll. And as you can see right there, once I go to the camera roll, here I have my GIF file that I just created using ImgPlay. This app is really cool. Again, you can get a free version or a pro version with a few more features. So if you want to get a pro version for free, make sure you check out the description of the video. Right there, you will find the rules on how you can enter this giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.